In today's 000webhost.com tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom error pages using an htaccess file and how to replace the standard 000webhost.com error page. Okay, to get started creating these htaccess custom error pages, you need to log into the members panel, and I assume for this video you've already done this, and then you need to scroll down and open up your choice of file manager. And after you've done this, we'll just close that for a second, you want to go to the root of your domain. So in this case, let's assume that has your domain name there, and we just jumped into the index_public_HTML folder, and you should, or if you don't have, there should be a .htaccess file. If there isn't, just create one, and I'll just show you how to do that quickly. You just want to go new file. There's no actual file name for this, so it is literally .htaccess and create it. But if you already have one, what you should already have in here is we go edit. We just want to jump over to edit. We're going to do it all in here. You have do not remove this line, otherwise the mod rewrite rules will stop working. So it has rewrite base / Don't need to touch that at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to create custom error pages using these error document codes. So we have error document 400, which is one type, but the one most people are going to focus on is this one here, the error document 404, which is the code file not found, 5, which is internal server error, so another one's forbidden. But for this example, we're not going to use these ones up here. We're just going to concentrate on these ones here, because normally when you have, so what you want to do is, obviously I'll put these in the description, these will be in the description, just copy them all, write them out into the document like that. That's the easy bit. And what you normally get with these, with an error 404 for example, if I jump over and open up this site and just put in something I know doesn't exist, like I don't know, that old thing used to be, it'll load up this page. And what we want to do is we want to replace this page. So once you paste these in here, just go and save the page, jump back out of this, go new file, and we're just going to call it, if I can remember, we're just going to call it 40 for the first example, 404.html, and then we're just going to put file. I mean, you can customize this to whatever you want it to be and design it to your website. For this example, I'm just going to do a quick one here. File not found. I'll just go save, and now what will happen in theory, if I've done this right, if now go /G, no, that's not working. It should, in theory, if I go /G, it should load up this, but there is another, for some reason there has been another error. Sorry, that's why. The error is not, this code works fine, it's just that I have made, which happens to all of us, that happens to the best mistake in the file name, just accidentally put an R when I meant T. So you obviously want to get the file names right, which is 404, so 404.html. Now if we go back onto the server, it'll load up our custom here, file not found. And obviously if you had an internal server error, we could do another one. For example, so each different code you want a different, or you can use a same file, but just showing different errors, and it's just general error. So obviously again, you can create one called 500, which is, if I remember correctly, the internal server error. And again, you can just go save, you can customize it how you want, and obviously for this time we won't have a internal server error without causing one on the server, so I can't unfortunately cause one, but again you'd have the same error, and then one for file, and then one forbidden directories that you're not actually allowed into. Again, that doesn't happen very often on 000webhost.com servers, because anything that's in the public directory is public, which is one kind of downside. You can't stop people from getting access to it without putting passwords on them. So obviously there are other codes you can use, and a good one, the resource that I use sometimes, I can't remember it, is this one. It's addbytes.com. I'll put the link into the description, and it goes through on all the ones you use. Obviously the one you could just use is error document 404 /h. That obviously you can have that as PHP, you can have it whatever sort of dot extension the server will handle. For 000webhost.com it is HTML and .php documents and .htm as well. And obviously it goes on to things you can have response codes, and it also has this information in here on the different codes continue. Some of these you'll never really see or never need. Most ones you're ever going to see is bad request, unauthorized, payment requested, which is unlikely, forbidden, not found, method not allowed, not acceptable, proxy authorization required, request timed out, config gone. Gone is also another one, because that sort of overlaps with file not found. And obviously internal server is a bad one, bad gateway. So there are a lot of these here, and obviously you can build custom pages for them, but it's most likely that most of them you're not ever going to see. So the ones I've recommended in this tutorial are 403, 404, and 500. So guys, that's how to create custom error pages using 3 htaccess rules. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.